What can I do after I've been hit by a large truck and I've been severely injured in a trucking case? I get that question asked by clients, and many are surprised by the responses that I give. And what I want to do is walk you through a trucking case. Every case is different, and this is just intended to give you a brief overview of trucking cases. On a trucking case, typically you have a large semi that causes a collision. They're not always large semis, sometimes they're smaller trucks. These cases can be large cases because many trucking companies have very high insurance companies, and quite frankly, many times the injuries and damage caused by these collisions is huge. When we go through a trucking case, please understand they will dedicate resources immediately, and they have particular protocols on what their driver is supposed to do and say, and response teams are going to come out to investigate right away. Please know that when you're in this situation, the most important thing is for you to get the proper medical care that you need. But secondary to that, note that anything you might say to somebody representing the insurance company could be used to harm your claim later. It is important for you to obtain legal representation. What we want to do is make sure that the evidence is being preserved. There can be video that exists. Many trucks have video cameras that are on them. Some of them are even rear-facing, where you get both forward-facing of the roadway and a rear-facing of the driver to show what the driver was doing at the time of the collision. Further, there are event data recorders on trucks. These are sometimes referred to as black boxes, and they can give speed information and braking information. Further, many times there can just be simple evidence that can be found at the scene. Many times a state trooper or law enforcement will be there to take photos and to record and to do a traffic accident investigation, and they will have their response teams as they're there as well collecting information. With trucking cases, we want to obtain all of the information, and something that you may not know they have logs, electronic logs on the trucks that keep track of how long the driver's been driving, where the truck has been, and that can go into effect if you might have a drowsy driver or someone who might be in violation of federal motor carrier laws concerning how long they've been driving. We want to obtain all this information so that we can help you prosecute your claim against these large, well-funded trucking companies and insurance companies. We appreciate you watching these videos, and they can help educate you on this. If this is helpful to you, please follow us, because we're updating and doing more videos all the time, and some of those might be helpful for you. And if you'd like to schedule an appointment with us, see the scheduling information below. We'd love to hear from you. It's the Bussey Law Firm, 719-475-2555.